everybody. As you all know, I make custom lock picks, and you guys have kept me very, very busy here lately. Thank you very much for your support. I take a piece of stock steel, and then I turn it into this, or this, or any number of designs that you guys request. I make them all. Before I ship any of these out, I always test them out on a lock. This one's going out to South Carolina tomorrow, and I need to test it before I ship it. So that's what we're going to do. It's just a simple Master Lock 40mm here. We'll try this worm rake, everyone's favorite. No sense in doing a SPP on this. Just like that.